Hi, in this video I'm gonna go through the Go High Level invoice process, how you can send an invoice. So first I'm gonna switch to the sub account, and in the sub account you can see the payment option on the left side. So it says payments. You click here, it will open up the first tab, which is the invoices. You can definitely change between like looking into recurring campaigns and whatnot, and there are other options here. But in the invoices, I set up the you have to set up the logo and the basic details that will go on each invoices. I have set that up already. So creating an invoice, just click new, and it says create a new invoice, and from here it will open up the invoice setup, where you see the invoice title. I can just name it as like it's for me. Let's just say, so I know this is for me and this is about my course. Just name something that I know what this invoice is for, or maybe a month name. Let's just say and this will be the title. This is the logo of the company. I can change it here, but the default setting I set up in that setting, and the address and name and everything here. On this side I can select a client, so I'm gonna select my test email here, which is this one. So when I select that, it shows up all the details here of the student, of the client, and this is the invoice number. I can change it to something else if I want to. I can change to any sequence, but I think this is fine. And the invoice issue date is, I can change the issue date and the due date, whichever date I want to. And then this will be the button that the client will click to pay. And from the item, I have created products, so I can select the products here, and from here I can select, and these are the two products that I've created. So I can, let's just say, Dream Your Life, and it just only have one pricing point, so that's why it's showing up one in the list. But let's just say if you have multiple pricing points, you can select any of those, and when you say save, it shows up here. Again, you can add text here if you have set up the text. If not, then it will be like that, and then you can add a description if you want to. For each product you can add another one, then it's up to you. Let's just say I want to add another, so it shows up here. And then in the subtotal you can see the total here with the amount due. If I want to give them some discount, I can, which is like a percentage here. So let's just say I want to give them a 10% discount. I say save, it start giving them the discount. So I'm going to go back to 0, and this is an additional note, something I want to give them to know what this is about. So enroll in the course, membership. Maybe if you want to add some term and conditions, so it's up to you. If you have a pay link of your term and condition, you want to add it here, you can hyperlink it easily, from here, and add the link. So that's it. So if you are fine with it, you can send it. So when you click on the send button, it start asking you how you want to send it, through email and text. Usually email is better, so I select email and I say send invoice. And when I send this, it shows up here with all the details here, and I can change and edit it. Just want to show you something else. Let's just say I want to say resend, and this time it shows up the detail. Okay, it's not showing up that detail anymore. I have to create a new one. So let's just say this is one tiny thing that I've missed. So let's just say I want to send it. It definitely gonna tell me to select student, select a product, and let's just say I want to say send. Now in the additional information here, the additional option, I can send it as a test as well. That's the only thing I missed in the previous one. So yeah, definitely that is something. If you want to test it for yourself, you can send it to yourself and send it as a test, and then you can make the test purchase. Anyway, so I'm going to remove this one. So this invoice is sent, and it says due in 20 days. If I go back into my inbox, I can see I receive an email from Reimagine Africa, Reimagine invoice received. And I open this, it shows up the logo, the details are here, and it says click to view the invoice. So when I click here, it goes to a link which gives me the details of everything here, which has been set up, all the term condition, everything. And when I click pay here, it shows up the checkout process, which is first option is selected, which says card option. So I can put all my details, but if I want to, I can use the US bank details to do the payment. So these are the options showing up. So this is how you can send invoice, and how the receiver and the client will receive the invoice and can pay the invoice. Let me know if you have any question. Thanks.